Oh my goodness, look how big this fidget package is. Before I open these, if you want to shop any of these fidgets, make sure to click the link in my bio. Let's get opening because there's so much things in here. Oh my goodness. First things are these 2 dimple digits. Let's open them. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. This one's purple, and they have the best pop. Next, let's open these octopus simple dimples. I think they're kind of like simple dimples or poppets. I don't really know, but let's open them. These are so pretty, and look, they're reversible. Whoa, that is so cool. Look, it's like marbled. This simple dimple is such good quality. Let's open these dimples. There's so many different ones. Check out this Among Us one. Oh my goodness. This is the coolest dimple spinner I've ever seen. Now let's open all of these plastic plate poppets. They're so cool. And this one's multicolored. I cannot wait to try these. Wow, it's like a simple dimple, but it's in a poppet form. And the bubbles are just so soft. These are amazing. Next, globbles. They're so colorful in the sun, and they're so squishy. Air squishies are just so fun to play with. Next, we've got all these mini poppets. These are so high quality and so easy to pop. Listen to this. Oh my gosh. And look how cute this cupcake is. Here's the loud side. And this camouflage one, the colors are so awesome. Another simple dimple. Again, these are so high quality and so easy to pop. This is probably one of the best simple dimples I've ever had. Plus, it's clear. Then I've saved the best fidgets for last. First is this color-changing poppet. It's rainbow now, but when it's inside, it's clear. Then it just changes in the sun. How cool is that? Let's open it. Wow, the colors are so pretty. This has such a good pop. You probably know that poppets are sold as games, so whoever pushes down the last button loses. But have you seen an actual poppet game? It has dice included in everything. Let's open it. Look forward to an upcoming video of me playing this game with my family. I cannot wait. So now you get to play a game and you get to pop a poppet? That's awesome. And last but not least, the giant poppet. This is so big. And the colors are so pretty. Let's open it. Oh my goodness, look how big it is. And the pops are so good. Listen to the sound. Link in bio.